heritage of bluegrass music. It's called Paparillo Breakdown, and it's faster than I'm going to play it. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you, Michael, for a great intro. Hard to follow you up. I'm glad I didn't park my truck in here and try and sing. This is Paparillo Breakdown. It's just a great bluegrasser. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much for hanging out. Bill, you're next. You'll be